Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 4G. Right side of the phone, power button and volume up down button. Bottom side of the phone, stereo speaker, USB-C port, SIM card and memory card tray. Left side, nothing is here. And upper side of the phone, 3.5mm audio jack, stereo speaker, IR blaster. And the back side, here 108 megapixels main camera, 8 megapixel secondary ultra wide camera, and 2 megapixel depth sensor flash. The phone looks nice and it's really handy. Within the budget, it is really a good phone. This is the display. See, nice phone. 33 watt wired charging available. Okay, you can install preloaded app too. This is good. Okay, settings, about phone, Android 14, 256 GB ROM, device name Redmi Note 13 4G, Android version 13. Okay, detailed info and spec, RAM 8GB, CPU Snapdragon 685, octa-core, maximum 2.8 GHz, Android version 13, MIUI version, MIUI Global 14.0.9. I will give a detailed review about it. The display is AMOLED display, 120 Hz, refresh rate, punch hole front camera, selfie camera. Within the budget, it is really a good phone. Hope it will fulfill users' requirement. Viewers, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.